Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open tabs in Google Chrome Android. Once we are inside Chrome, we can add a new tab if we click on the three top points and choose New Tab. Another option is to use the add icon next to the address bar. If we want to open an element in another tab, such as a website, we hold it down and select the Open in New Tab option. From the tab manager, we will see the ones we have open. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.